Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So we are doing the chapter integration and already we completed exercise 7.3 from NCERT. In the today's class I will give integrals of some particular functions. That means will give you the derivation of formulas. We have a 6 formula derivation, and in a theory examination they can ask one derivation for 5 marks. That's why see these derivations carefully. In one class I will explain 3 formulas, in another class I will explain another 3 formulas. See the first one. Here I am giving you proof that in the examination it is not like that. It is integrate with respect to x or find the value like that. 1 upon x square or dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. So here we have an important concept. Actually we have to know, if you are familiar with the partial fraction, it is very easy. If you don't know the partial fraction also, don't worry. Here we have 1 upon x square minus a square will be splitting as it is in the form of a square minus b square. 1 upon x minus a into x plus a. Now I will give you one hint. Use the same two brackets in the numerator and try to cancel x. Either go for addition or subtraction, but cancel x. See, first I wrote x plus a and then I wrote minus x minus a. Why I wrote like this? See, if you remove the bracket, what is remaining? On the side I will do x plus a, I took minus inside, plus x minus x cancels, 2a is remaining in the numerator. Then in the numerator we have a 2a. How you balance that? By writing 1 by 2a outside. Understood? So in the denominator as it is. That means the concept is whatever there in the denominator, use the same brackets. See, x minus a and x plus a. I use the same bracket. This is x plus a, this is x minus a. Either go for addition or subtraction. It depends on the problem. Depends on the problem, either go for addition or subtraction. Here I did subtraction because I want to cancel the variable x. So here plus x minus x get cancels. After solving you will get a 2a. That 2a is balancing with 1 upon 2a. Now take the denominator separately. X plus a upon x minus a into x plus a, middle minus x minus a upon x minus a into x plus a. Is it interesting or what? Yes. Now x plus a get cancels. Here x minus a get cancels. 1 upon 2a, 1 upon x minus a minus 1 upon x plus a. Now write down these values in the integration. Therefore, integration of 1 up dx upon x square minus a square, because on this side we have 1 upon x square minus a square. On both the sides write down integration with respect to, integrate both with respect to x. So this is a dx upon x square minus a square. This is 1 by 2a because it is a constant. One upon 2a, integration of 1 upon x minus a minus 1 upon x plus a into dx. Keep 1 by 2a as it is in the bracket. Integration of 1 upon x minus a is log of x minus a, because you know, you are familiar with integration of 1 by x is log of mod x. Applying the same formula there. And middle we have a minus log of x plus a. Plus c. After integration we have to write a plus c. Now log m minus log n is what? Log m minus log n is log m upon n. This is 1 by 2a log of m upon n. X minus a upon x plus a plus c. On the left side, dx upon x square minus a square. Now, related with read on one example. X is a variable, a is a number. Dx upon x square minus 25. Then how you write? Dx upon x square minus 5 square. Directly write on the formula, above formula. A is 5. 1 upon 2 into 5 log of x minus 5 upon x plus 5 plus c. Or you can write 1 upon 10 log of x minus 5 upon x plus 5 plus c. Remember, in this example, x square, after that immediately we have a number. There is no x term. One more example, x square upon, if it is a 2, it will be written as x square. There is no x, remember. 2 will be written as root 2 square, correct or not? Now compare with this. In place of a we have root 2. It is 1 by 2 root 2 log of x minus root 2 upon x plus root 2 plus c. Understood? And write down this formula in your formula list, whatever you wrote in the first class. Moving to the next formula. Same, prove that second formula it is. Prove that integration of dx upon a square minus x square. See the difference between this formula and previous. In the previous it is x square minus a square, it is a square. Here it is a square. That means number is first. 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So here also we are applying the same concept. We have 1 upon a square minus x square is 1 upon a minus x, a plus x. Again apply the same concept. Take the same brackets in the numerator. Try to cancel x. It is a minus x and here I wrote a plus x. See middle if I write plus, minus x plus x get cancelled. What is remaining? A plus a, 2a. That means 1 upon 2a. 2a we have to cancel. Then only it is a balancing. Write down the denominator as it is. Take the denominator separately. A minus x upon a minus x into a plus x plus a plus x upon a minus x into a plus x. Here a plus x and here a minus x get cancels. 1 upon 2a, 1 upon a plus x plus 1 upon a minus x. Now integrate on both the sides. Here it is 1 upon a square minus x square. Integrate with respect to x. Dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a, 1 upon a plus x plus 1 upon a minus x into dx. Now I am giving you one more formula here, important formula. What is 1 upon ax plus b? It is 1 by a log of ax plus b. A is what? Coefficient of x. Here left side as it is, right side is 1 by 2a in the bracket. What is integration of 1 upon a plus x? Log of mod a plus x. Here I am writing minus because here x coefficient is minus 1. See here, x coefficient is a 1 by a. Here x coefficient is minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. Directly I am writing minus log of a minus x plus c. Again it is in the form of log m minus log n. A plus x upon a minus x plus c. It is 1 upon a square minus x square or dx. This is the second formula. So please add this formula in the formula list. And see the example based on this. Dx upon, if it is 16 minus x square, how you write? 1 upon 2 into 4 because 16 is 4 square. Log of 4 plus x upon 4 minus x plus c. And see the observation is x square and a number. There is no x term. Understood? So the final answer is 1 upon 8 log of 4 plus x upon 4 minus x plus c. Next, this is the first example, the second one. Dx upon 1 minus x square, that is 1 by 2 into 1 log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x plus c. One more example. Dx upon, if it is a 5 minus x square, how you write? Dx upon 5 will be root 5 square minus x square. 1 upon 2 root 5 log of root 5 plus x upon root 5 minus x plus c. Like this we are solving. That is the second formula, 1 upon a square minus x square. Now moving to the third one. And at the same time go on writing these formulas in the formula list. Third one. Prove that dx upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. See, if it is a 1 plus x square or 2 plus x square like that, middle plus is there, always the substitution. Suppose if it is 1 plus x square, put x is equal to tan theta. Because 1 plus tan square formula we are familiar. If it is 2 square plus x square, whatever this number, take 1 unit of that. That is, put x is equal to 2 tan theta, like that. Because you can take 2 common. Now, write down that formula adjustment. Write down the LHS. Consider the LHS. 1 upon, sorry, or dx upon x square plus a square. Put x is equal to a tan theta. As I explained, put x is equal to a tan theta. Implies tan theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. And in the integration, wherever you are doing the substitution, you have to differentiate. X is equal to a tan theta. Dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. Already you are familiar. So now write down. It is dx. What is dx value? A secant square theta into d theta, and the denominator x square is a tan theta. That means x square means a square tan square theta plus a square. This is a secant square theta, a square common, tan square theta plus 1 into d theta. 1a is cancelled with this. Secant square theta, in the denominator a, tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta, first year identity. Secant square and secant square get cancels, and a is a constant. It is 1 by a, 1 into d theta, because they get cancels, 1a is remaining. Now tell me, what is the integration of 1 with respect to theta? 1 with respect to theta is theta. 1 by a into theta plus c, and theta we are familiar. Write down that value. It is 1 by a tan inverse, theta value is tan inverse x by a plus c. So that means integration of dx upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So this is the formula. Now I am giving you the example related with this formula. So write down these formulas in the formula list, whatever we wrote in the first class. Example, dx upon x square plus 2 square is 1 by 2. 2 is a number. Tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Next example, dx upon, if it is 8 x square plus 8, how you write? It is dx upon x square plus 8 is root 8 whole square. It is a square means root 8 whole square, 1 upon root 8 or 2 root 2 you can write. Tan inverse x upon root 8 plus c. It is 1 upon 2 root 2 also you can write. This is also correct. Tan inverse x upon 2 root 2 plus c. Like this we are solving the formula, and we are using that formula when we are solving the examples. So in the next class I will use 3 more formula derivations.